Forfeit the game, stop the talk show. Product of what you're taught to know. Forfeit the game, cause tomorrow, when it's all done, you reap what you sow.
I look at you while taking pleasure in the awful things you put me through. You take away if I give in. My life, my pride is broken. You like to think you're never wrong. You live what you learn. You have to act like you're someone. You live what you learn. You want someone to hurt like you. The things I say I do, the way I hurt myself again just to get back at you. You take away when I give in. My life.
When this began, I had nothing to say, and I'd get lost in the nothingness inside.